I'm showing y'all something real heavy today. Heavy duty, perfect for Corona. Today I'm showing y'all a laundry machine. Is that what they're called? A washer, I meant a washer, with a spin cycle that has saved my life during Corona. That right there is the Zeny portable washing machine. So let's take it to the bathroom where I'm washing my clothes. Before I haul ass, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my humble abode, my bathroom. So I'm gonna break down what this thing does and how it does it. Take two. I'm gonna show you all the little pieces and how it works right now. Super simple. This is the hose where when you empty out the water, and I'll show you how you do that, all the water drips out. This here is the washer. You can't put that much stuff in it. I usually just do my son's clothes. He's 3 years old. And underwear. You can't put towels. I'm gonna do that today to show you how much it holds. And this is the spinner, and you put this on top. All right, once the clothes are out, it's kind of hard to get out. Put it on stop. That's how it works. Let's plug it in, plug it in. But first, subscribe to the channel. So the extension is pretty short, so I suggest keeping a handy extension cord in your bathroom. So the water is running, and I take this, I don't have anything bigger than that, and I just pour in the water. There's a line indicator, but what I do is that I put in half of the water and then I add some of the detergent, and I just kind of eyeball the detergent. So this is how much I'm trying to wash. Sometimes it's too much because my towels are pretty thick. So we'll see how much fits. My toddler's having a meltdown somewhere. I'll be back. All clear. So this is a pretty thin towel. It's my son's towel. Okay, I put it in there. These towels are super thick. So what has happened before, when I try to put 2 of these or 3 at a time, the washer will get stuck. I'm just gonna add the small ones because I have a feeling another big one won't fit, and some baby socks for good measure. Now, as you can see, I have to add more water, which I will. I like to do it this way so I can kind of gauge how much water I need versus how many clothes I put in. I will not record this to spare you all. This is the wash timer, so you can only put it for 15 minutes, and this is the really important part. When you're washing, you want to put it on standard, okay, because that's gonna wash. I've never used soft. I'm assuming that's for fabric softener, which I've never used. Drain is when you're spinning it here. So if you put drain, and everything is, the water is just gonna leak and it's gonna go in here. It won't leak out here because I have the hose up, but it will end up just sitting in there. So as you can see, I had it in drain before. Perfect example. When I was putting the water, then I had it in drain, so now I'm going to have to drain it because I didn't listen to my own advice. There you go. The water's gonna drain. That's gonna empty out. So the water is emptying out, as you can see, and now I'm going to be able to do the wash because I made a boo-boo and left it on drain. But you see, I left it on drain and the water didn't leak from here, okay? So it's not that big of a deal. I think it's just back the water goes here. So as I said, I have it on standard, and I'm just gonna turn this baby on all the way to 15 and let it wash. I'm gonna open it so you see what it does. See, I have a little bit too many towels, but not enough that it's not gonna rotate. And ladies and gentlemen, this happened. Don't wash and record on YouTube. Luckily, I have a dirty towel, so we're just gonna use it. No, Mommy's recording. I'm not crying, I'm okay, Bubba. I was just kidding. Toddler meltdown. Now you click on the drain and you let it run. The spinner on this Zeny washer is amazing. I never thought a spinner would be able to dry my clothes, especially my towels, so fully that I wouldn't have to like drip dry, but just watch, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so now you put the wet clothes, fairly wet, right, in the spinner. There you go. And again, thick towel. So I will only put one towel and the socks in here, because another towel, this towel is not going to fit. Let's spin. On the item that I am spinning, I do it about 3 times. Just make sure that it's not in excess, because I did it and then I smelled like something burning and then it stopped working. Luckily, I just had to give it some time to cool down, and after an hour I used it again and it worked, but it overheated, so make sure you don't do that. I wanted to show you, just with 2 spins, what my towel looks like. 2 spins, no water, 2 spins. That's it for me, your girl, Suhaiti, right here on Love Suhaiti TV with the Zeny washer. Let me know what you think in comments if you purchase it. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications, and come back very soon for more content.